If you're in search of a reliable companion for your fitness journey, Fitbit has consistently proven itself. The latest addition to the lineup, the Fitbit Charge 6, stands out as a top contender, boasting impressive fitness tracking features and potentially securing its position as one of Fitbit's finest trackers to date. Now, let's weigh the Fitbit Charge 6 against its predecessor, the Fitbit Charge 5, as stalwart in the realm of fitness devices. Is the upgrade worthwhile, or do the enhancements pale in comparison, making it a sensible move to stick with the Charge 5 and save some hard-earned cash? Let's dive into a side-by-side comparison to unravel the verdict. Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. When it comes to the design, the Fitbit Charge 6 has maintained a striking resemblance to its forerunner. The visual harmony persists, with both devices presenting a variety of colors and band shades to allow for individualized aesthetics. Their generously sized OLED displays remain a common feature, ensuring a clear and convenient view of your fitness data whenever you glance at your wrist. A notable distinction that catches the eye is the reintroduction of a physical button in the Fitbit Charge 6, a feature reminiscent of the buttons found on earlier Fitbit models. This addition enhances the overall device interaction, adding a practical element to consider when evaluating these two Fitbit trackers. Apart from potential software updates, there seems to be little divergence between the Charge 6 and its predecessor, the Charge 5. If you're already sporting a Charge 5 or simply appreciate the aesthetics of this tracker, there's little reason to find fault with Fitbit's approach to the Charge 6. The Fitbit Charge 6 shares a substantial overlap in features with its predecessor, the Fitbit Charge 5. Both models encompass standard fitness tracker functionalities like heart rate tracking, step counting, and GPS tracking. Additionally, they house a SpO2 blood oxygen monitor, an ECG app for heart health monitoring, sleep tracking capabilities, and an EDA scan app for stress monitoring and management. The inclusion of a daily readiness score, indicating whether your body is ready for an intense workout or requires a lighter session for full recovery, is a common feature. Access to the daily readiness score on both models require a Fitbit Premium membership. Nevertheless, distinctions do exist. The Fitbit Charge 6 introduces over 20 additional exercise modes, embracing activities like skiing, HIIT, and kayaking. Moreover, it facilitates seamless integration with compatible fitness equipment such as treadmills or rowing machines. This enables your Fitbit Charge 6 to synchronize heart rate data with the exercise machine, providing real-time heart rate feedback on the display of your elliptical machine or exercise bike. With the Fitbit Charge 6, you can enjoy 2 additional perks as compensation for the transition of your Fitbit accounts to Google accounts. Fitbit Pay makes your way for Google Wallet, streamlining your payment apps if you're already using the latter. Furthermore, exploring your unfamiliar running routes become more convenient with turn-by-turn directions directly on your wrist, courtesy of Google Maps. The most significant addition, perhaps, is the incorporation of YouTube music controls in the Fitbit Charge 6. Addressing a notable concern from Fitbit Charge 5 users, the removal of Spotify controls, the Charge 6 introduces YouTube music controls. This enhancement empowers you to manage your music seamlessly during workouts, play, pause, skip songs, and adjust volume, all directly from your wrist. While it might not fully cater to Spotify users' preferences, it undeniably represents an improvement over the Fitbit Charge 5. Now, when it comes to endurance in fitness trackers, the Charge 6 and Charge 5 stand out, and the disparity between them is minimal. Boasting an impressive battery life, both models can last up to 7 days on a single charge. This means you can bid farewell to your charger during extended journeys without the concern of missing out on tracking your activities. In terms of pricing, the Fitbit Charge 6 does not present a significant deviation from the Fitbit Charge 5. Priced at $160, the Charge 6 is only a modest step up from the $150 Charge 5. It's anticipated that the gap may widen further with potential price reductions for the older model. In short, when faced with a decision between the Fitbit Charge 6 and its predecessor, the Fitbit Charge 5, there's scant justification for choosing the older model. The Charge 6 not only maintains a striking visual resemblance to the Charge 5, but also incorporates all of its features and introduces notable enhancements, such as more precise heart rate tracking and YouTube music controls. The welcome addition of a physical side button further enhances the overall appeal of the Charge 6. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.